Work hard.
I get this is 15.
Yeah,
And guys, there we have it, the owner, the deer.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. Maloma, quickly gonna do like a fuel switch quickly. And yeah, mix. Yeah guys, nice caddy. Check the engine bay. Maloma, we want to 16 valve, man. Machine. Yeah guys. Oh, we already did a run like early on 95, just 0.9 bar boost or 1 bar boost actually. 218 kilowatts, 16 valve, O2J gearbox, beautiful car. Currently draining the fuel. Maluma taught me something new today. Yeah. You learn every day. Yeah. Gravity pump. Okay guys, let me do like a proper walk around since I haven't really done that. But it's a 16 valve Turbo Mk1 Caddy Bakkie. I don't know if it qualifies as Mk1, but Turbo 16 valve Caddy Bakkie, O2J gearbox, I'm sure I mentioned that. Clean engine bay, I like how this car looks, I wanna lie to you guys. Don't mind the bottle on the roof, we just switching the fuel with the gravity pump. This thing looks lovely guys. Let me show you guys the inside of the car. On the inside, clean dashboard, just a lovely car guys. Currently switching the map over, well, taking the other map and yeah. Fuel cell, what else? Guess I've covered it all. what we've been waiting for, Didier. Hoe voel jij?
Yeah, excited.
Shiny.
Excited.
290 kilowatts. Safety first, guys. As you can see, safety first, buckle up. Soms eintlik gaan skierman afgegaan.
Maar hoor.
Ja. En as 'n
Vroegie, ja, is dat.
Okay.
Ja.
Okay. Dan net hierdie eerste blok.
Ja.
290 kilowatt. Je zit bij de Hilux, net zo links. Ja. Net hier links. Dan kan ons daarbij Goldwagen uitkomen. Speed up. Heb je launch control?
Maar we nog een beetje speel. Hij is nog niet wel lekker.
Oké. Wheel spin. Straight.
Abreu.
Just spinning. 290 kilowatt is te veel, man. Bij die padkaart.
Ja, zoek nog.
Maar dat is een
Oh,
padkaart.
is nog water hoor.
Ja, hey, ons wil niet al die ring. Het is een road car, ja. 290 kilowatts. Hoeveel boost is het? 1.5 bar boost. 16 valve. 16 valve door hotel, guys. I've been waiting to shoot this caddy. Guys, ons is aan. Baie dankie Didier.
Zo,
Baie dankie.
Dankie.
Nee, de bak is lekker.